Shadows, no shadows. Shadows, no shadows. Yes, it's my birthday. I'm 40 years old, so let's do a little video on how to get flattering light on your face for portraits and video. And I was setting up this camera. It's 2025. I've got a goal to create more content. I've been doing video work forever, and I said, let's share that content. Let's share that knowledge a little bit. And let's see if people like me online. If you don't like me, well, you'll go somewhere else. I can't control that. I am who I am. I am what I am. So here's the hack of the day, a bounce card. This doesn't have to be complicated. White paper will reflect up. So this is went to the dollar store, and they didn't have a white foam board. Otherwise, I would have bought a white foam board. They had a black foam board. Okay, I needed something sturdy. And then I got a piece of white poster board and taped it on top. And now, when I put it in front of myself, how fantastic is that? Who doesn't want flattering light? I certainly do. I'm conscious of how I look on camera. And even if you're behind the camera, you should always be putting yourself into the chair, into the mindset of the person you are filming or taking video of, and how can you make them look and feel their best. And let me tell you, a little bit of bounce light right there makes me feel pretty good. Happy 40th birthday to me.